We got concrete. Back in February of 2021, my wife and I moved to Tennessee to start a new adventure. We have 15 acres located in the foothills of East Tennessee mountains. The property was mostly all wooded when we bought it. Over the summer, we have worked to clear a spot for a barn and our future home site. We cleared the trees using dozers and then leveled out a spot for the barn. After starting my home business, I haven't had much time to work on the property. We're finally able to get the form set for the barn. It is finally pour day. Had some awesome help from some friends, and we were able to get it poured very quickly, and it went very well. Just a big shout out to the people that helped me pour. Thank you guys for your help if you watch this video. Well, we finally got the concrete slab poured for the barn. Well, finally got it poured. It's starting to get cured. I'm working on next. I'm gonna have to start sawing the lumber for we're gonna do a timber frame now. So I'm gonna get it sawed up on my brother-in-law's sawmill. So yeah, we're pretty excited. We're going to start getting that done. Hopefully, the end of next week, I might be able to start sawing up some wood. So you can see we got some plumbing. So we're gonna actually put a bathroom in here, a shower and everything. Even though it's my shop, we may end up doing a little Airbnb or something out of this in the future, just depending on how everything goes. So glad you guys are watching. We'll keep you updated.